So if I were to go around and select out a particular text right here, just like this, then you get a mini menu, as you can see right here, which allows you to go around and then see all of these options over here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to customize it. Then I can go around onto the three dot button. Then I can go around onto settings right here. Then over here under appearance, you can go around and scroll down under context menus. And over here, you can see that mini menu on text selection is an option. So you can show mini menu when selecting text. So if I were to disable this, then I don't get the mini menu anymore right here, just like this. But you can go around and turn it on. You can allow smart actions like here, like define words that you have selected, and you can disallow some sites as well, just like this. So you can go around and disallow certain sites right here, just like this, and you can go around and manually add sites, like let's say for example, right now, if I were to go around and select this out, then you can see the mini menu right here. But if I were to go around and let's say for example, copy out the wikipedia.org right here and add it, then what happens is that I am not able to actually get it over here in Wikipedia right here. So I can simply go around and remove it out. So that is how you can go around and utilize mini menu on text selection options inside of Microsoft Edge. I can customize it the way you want. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.